Alright, so I'm going to show you how to reset and get access to your installer toolbox from the Vivint SkyControl. As you can see, I already have mine taken off, but basically unscrew the top and then just hold these two buttons down, and then the panel will pop up. Also, make sure your system is disarmed, and then open up the panel. Ooh, I gotta hook this up. But anyways, you're going to here's what you're gonna want to do. Lift this up, and you see this camera focus reset button, and it's right here. Hold this down for like, I'd say like a minute or something, just until the panel reboots. Like, wait for the panel to reboot. So like, when you start seeing weird screen activities, wait for like a couple, like 5 seconds extra or something, and then let it go, and then just let it reboot.